Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptown River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptown River until 5:15 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 50 knots from 20 nautical miles north of Susquehanna Flats to 23 nautical miles southwest of Hanover Street Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Haberton-Grace, Middle River, Baltimore Inner Harbor, Riviera Beach, Thomas Point Light, wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The severe thunderstorm warning